This presentation contains general legal information for social assistance recipients and low-income residents of York Region in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is not intended to be used as legal advice for a specific legal problem. If you are facing issues with your social assistance or other income maintenance benefits, please contact the legal clinic. This presentation will discuss changes to Ontario Works and the Ontario Disability Support Program during the COVID-19 crisis for both social assistance recipients and non-social assistance recipients, other Ontario relief measures, federal relief measures, and legal clinic practices during COVID-19. Benefits for Ontario Works and Ontario Disability Support Program recipients. Additional funding is available to OW and ODSP recipients to meet emergency COVID-19 needs now through July 2020. OW and ODSP caseworkers can provide additional discretionary benefits to recipients for COVID-19 needs such as cleaning supplies, transportation, food, clothing, phone minutes, and the like. This discretionary benefit is also called the emergency benefit. This will be a monthly payment of $100 for singles and $200 for families. Applications can be made through OW and ODSP caseworkers. Benefits for OW and ODSP recipients continued. As of May 1st, this discretionary COVID-19 emergency benefit has now been extended until July 31st, 2020. This benefit is now paid monthly and is intended for social assistance benefit units not in receipt of the Canada Emergency Response Benefit or CERB, except where CERB is fully exempt. Recipients who have received this benefit in March or April and who qualify for the extended benefit will automatically receive the extended benefit in May, June, and July. New emergency benefit applicants will need to request the benefit through their OW and ODSP caseworkers. Benefits for non-social assistance recipients. Urgent financial assistance is available to those not in receipt of OW or ODSP. Ontario Works Emergency Assistance, or EA, is available to Ontario residents who have no access to other supports, including employment insurance or the Canada Emergency Response Benefit. EA will be available for 48 days at a time. Individuals can apply through an online portal. Some OW and ODSP policies have been amended to reduce barriers to income support during the COVID-19 crisis. All automatic suspensions for failing to report income have been lifted. Recipients will not be required to provide original documents or wet signatures at this time. The eligibility verification process reviews are suspended at this time, and participation in employment assistance and employment support is not required at this time. Those applying for ODSP and those recipients facing a medical review deadline who cannot get an appointment with a healthcare provider due to COVID-19 can call the Disability Adjudication Unit to request an extension of time to submit the required documents. Recipients under medical review who are delayed in submitting their package due to COVID-19 and have been terminated from ODSP are encouraged to contact the legal clinic for advice. Recipients under medical review can always apply for OW if they are delayed in submitting their medical review package. Expiry dates on the special diet allowance mandatory special needs benefits, and new pregnancy and breastfeeding nutritional allowances will be automatically extended during this time. The Ontario government has implemented additional relief measures during the COVID-19 crisis. For low-income seniors, those who receive Guaranteed Annual Income System or GAINS payments, these will be doubled until September 2020. For children, with schools and daycares expected to be closed until further notice, a one-time payment will be provided to affected families. Families will receive $200 per child up to age 12, but $250 per child with special needs up to age 21. Applications can be made through the online application portal. Post-secondary students will not need to repay OSAP loans, and interest will not accrue until September 30th, 2020. There will also be energy relief. Off-peak pricing will continue until May 31st, 2020, and the winter ban on disconnections for non-payment will be extended to July 31st, 2020. Federal relief measures. The federal government has also implemented relief measures. The Canada Emergency Response Benefit, or CERB, is a taxable benefit that provides $2,000 a month or $500 a week for up to 16 weeks for workers who lose their income as a result of COVID-19. There is also a one-time increase to the Canada Child Benefit, or CCB. In May 2020, CCB payments will be automatically increased by up to $300 per child. There will be a one-time increase of $400 to $600 in April 2020 for recipients of the GST credit. There will be an interest-free moratorium on repayment of Canada student loans until September 30th, 2020. The Community Legal Clinic of York Region continues to operate during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, our offices are closed to the public until further notice. CLCYR is only accepting telephone intakes at this time. For more information, visit us at our website, clcyr.on.ca. Contact us by telephone at 905-508-5018 or toll free at 1-888-365-5226 or email us at client@clcyr.on.ca. This presentation was created by the Social Assistance Team at the Community Legal Clinic of York Region.